Easy cooking for one. Cooking for yourself can take a bit of effort, but making your own meals can be a great way to healthier living. Home-cooked meals are a healthier option than takeaways and ready meals. The following handy tips can save you time, money, and reduce food waste if you're cooking for one. Here are the Public Health Dietitians 4 top tips. Choose ingredients that can be used for lots of recipes, like peppers, onions, carrots, peas, and mushrooms. Buying loose or frozen veg is often cheaper, and only buying what you need can reduce food waste. Or buy minced beef, which can be used for bolognese, lasagna, or add chili powder and kidney beans to make a chili con carne. Keep herbs, spices, tinned and dried foods in your cupboards. These foods have long shelf lives and can make many tasty meals. Make the most of your freezer. Many foods can be frozen. This is useful and can help reduce food waste. Use up any leftovers. Make sure to eat within 2 days or freeze for an easy meal another time. Search for Public Health Dietitians on YouTube for more information and healthy recipe videos.